Hello everybody, it's Subscriiìiibe, and I got something for y'all. Nope, I'm not doing a giveaway, but I am going to do an unboxing video. I may do giveaways, I don't know when, but basically this is an unboxing video, and I've got a new headphone for Xbox One, a 360. See, people may think, oh, the 360 is old. It's not that old. These things are getting made for it. New things are getting made for it. You probably get new games that might end up getting released out for the Xbox 360. It's not that old compared to PlayStation 3 and the PlayStation 4. Now that is old. Anyways, Xbox 360 just came around about 2 years ago. I think it's not that old. I think so because I remember getting one when it first came out, and it was 2 or 3 years ago. I was still at school at the time, because I remember I would remember talking to my school friends on the 360, and end up after go to school on the next day. Yeah, so like while I was like talking to my friends, I would have to 9 o'clock turn it off, get sleep for school the next day. So yeah, so like I left school about 2 years and a half. So basically, it's not that old. And I think I was about sixth year when I got my Xbox 360. So basically, it's not that old. So they're still making new things. I got this out from a shop called Poundland. It's a good shop. If you're in a country which doesn't have pounds as currencies, you probably won't get it. Like United States. If there's any American people watching this, I mean people who are right now in the States, then don't go looking for a Poundland store. You won't get any, unless if some places may have it. For those who are fans of the pound currency, for the British people or for the American people that just want to pay a pound, I don't know. I say that you might get a Poundland in America, but it would be dollars. Here in the UK, you get American candy stores and stuff, but you have to pay a pound to buy stuff in it. So yeah, but say that isn't like it's called dollar. So you won't have a pound in Poundland in America. You might have maybe a British store, but you won't have a Poundland. Yeah. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this. So there we go. That's it. So that's there. I'm trying to see if there's something inside there. There isn't, so yep. That looks like a recycle symbol, doesn't it? Anyways, yeah, maybe it is. No, it isn't. Oh, it's white and green. And white and green is the colour of the recycle symbol. Because green recycling is like something that you should do, like in nature sort of thing. Green, right? Oh, okay. Not to rip it apart. Just in case if I need to take it back. I'm mixing up the anyways, I make Sir Poundland. No, Poundland's my favourite shop. If you're watching this, Poundland, I love you. I love you, Poundland. Anyways, Hey. Ah, yeah. It's one of the hardest things I've ever had to open in my lifetime. Really hard. Gotcha. What's adapter cable? That's a cable. What's adapter cable? It said 3 adapter cable inside. What's adapter cable? I think that's it. Yeah, the adapter cable. Yeah. What the hell is it? I don't think someone's took it out. Opened up and took it out. Fuck. It's not adapter cable in. Sit in there. Cable fail thing. That looks like a cable. Is that it? No, that's not that, is it? Maybe it is it. Yeah, I found it. I've not seen it before. Yep. That's it there. Cause look. There. Yep, that's it. Found it. So look, that's it there. It's mono. We were thinking, oh my god, it's broken. It's not broken. It's mono. Like, it's supposed to be like that. It's even got to there. It's mono. It's supposed to be like that. So it's supposed to be like it. That's like mono. So yep. Even got pads on it. There you go. And that one hasn't got pads on it. You see, so if that was broken off, I think, oh my god, but it's not broken off because it's got padding on it. And that one's not. That one's got padding on it, but different padding though. Only padding that's similar is up the top. No, that's not similar. No. And then yeah, I think same padding. Yeah. So basically, yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. But don't forget to hit that subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll be proud. What's up, everybody? Yep.